Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Citywide street sweeping operations will resume today, Monday, March 1, 2021. Please comply with alternate side of the street parking regulations. Citywide street sweeping operations will resume tomorrow, Monday, March 1, 2021. Alternate side parking, street sweeping will remain suspended through Monday, February 15th.
Take our lead.
Street cleaning is still in effect. If you live near a school, please park in a school parking on street cleaning days. If you cannot move your car and need assistance, please call public information at 908-820-4025.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You cannot park within 50 feet of a stop sign or a railroad crossing either. If there is a fire station on the street where you need to park, you cannot be within 20 feet of the driveway entrance when you are parking on the same side of the street.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Newark Public Safety Director Anthony F. Ambrose announced that enforcement of parking violations that do not pose public safety hazards, such as the blocking of fire hydrants or parking in crosswalks, will be suspended until March 31, 2020. Street cleaning will also be suspended for the same period, the director said.
Let's help you make your mark.
Jersey City. In Jersey City, one of the most frustrating parts of daily life for many residents, like Kate Stapleton, is parking their cars within the parameters of the city's 4 times a week street sweeping rules. If you fail to park legally, that's a $50 alternate side parking ticket.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.